To log in to your Hostinger email account, simply go to mail.hostinger.com. You will arrive to this page, fill in your Hostinger email address here and your password. If you don't remember this password, simply click on forward password and you will see multiple options to reset your Hostinger password. After that, click on login and you will receive and you will log in to your Hostinger email account. If you forgot about this login web address, simply log in to your Hostinger account. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom.builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Then go to emails and click on mailboxes, and next to your Hostinger email account, click on webmail and you will land on the same login address. Of course, if you are logged out, when you click on this webmail button, you will land on this login page. And this is how to log in to your Hostinger email account. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.